Hi everyone, welcome to our channel App Onlys. On today's tutorial, I will guide you how you can sign in into Auto account. For that, simply open up any web browser on your device, and after you are on this web browser or the Chrome browser on your PC or any device, then you need to type a URL, login Auto, and after that you need to press enter on the keyboard. And here on the result section you can see various links. Simply you need to click on the first link of sign in on auto account, and here you can see that you are already accessed on this sign in page of my auto account. You need to enter your username, password and click on the sign in box. After you have click on the sign in box, you will be signing into your auto account. If you want to remember the username, then you can tick mark on this remember my username option by clicking on it like this. If you don't, then leave like this. If you have forgotten your username or password, simply you can click on this forgotten your username or password link and you can recover your username or password, or you can sign in with a Virgin Media Auto ID. So if you like this video useful, then you can hit the like button and subscribe our channel for more tutorial videos. Thank you.